Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing Blender and your files. Open Blender and switch to a new, clean scene to avoid conflicts. Once done, confirm the Obj and any MTL sit in the same folder with textures. This ensures material paths resolve automatically. Make sure you know the target scale and rotation from your modeling app so you can correct them on import. You do this now because Blender will import geometry and try to relink materials. Correct inputs prevent wasted steps later. You proceed to import. Choose File, Import Wavefront, Obj, and pick your Obj. Before confirming, enable image search so Blender looks for textures automatically and toggle smooth groups if your mesh needs group normals. Next, set forward and up axes to match the original export. Common swaps are Z up versus Y up. Then set a scale factor to map exporter units to Blender units. Once you press Import OBJ, watch the outliner and look for linked materials and texture nodes created. You finish by cleaning up. Apply transforms to lock scale and rotation so modifiers behave predictably, and enter the shader editor to verify textures are connected to principled BSDF. Make sure UVs appear correctly in edit mode. If they do not, you may need to re-import with different axis settings. If faces look dark or invisible, recalculate normals or flip them manually to fix shading. One key troubleshooting tip: always check the MTL file path. If textures fail to load, relink them via image texture nodes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.